a minister of, as a sport minister in the government of Meghalaya. And at the same time, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the Archery Association of Meghalaya that within a short period of 5-6 months, we could really see a change. It is your dedication and hard work that we have seen that in the past many competitions, many of our archers have won a medal in different occasions. So once again, a big congratulations to all of you. I'd like to welcome all the archers from different parts of our northeastern state. I hope you have enjoyed the chill of Meghalaya. It's still quite cold, and yesterday you have been being welcomed by the rain, which Meghalaya is known for the rainiest place on earth. I hope your stay have been a pleasant one. And as you know, sports in Meghalaya, as I was just sitting there, we were discussing with our chief advisor that if we look back, the annual budget of sports in Meghalaya in 2016-17, it was nearly around 40 crores annually. But I would like to share with all of you, as I was coming from the assembly, as you know, we are having the budget session right now. Tomorrow is going to end. And our chief minister, who is the finance minister, have placed the budget for this financial year. And we were still today, we are voting on the demand of grant. I'm so happy to share with you that from 40 crores in 2016-17, this year budget of sport is 840 crores. So this shows the commitment of the government, the concern of the government for our athletes, our archers, our youth of the state. And at the same time, as you all know, that nowadays Meghalaya is not only known as the music capital of the country, and I'm very happy to tell you all that very soon Meghalaya will be the football capital of India. Why? Because right now we are building the biggest football stadium in India. That is 40,000 seating capacity, a dedicated football stadium. Along with that, in these few years, we have made plenty of development in terms of infrastructure for the sports, whether it is a football ground, indoor hall, and so on and so forth. And we do realize that our athletes, our players, our archers need platform to showcase their talent. So that's why for the last 4 consecutive years, if I'm not wrong, we have been organizing Meghalaya Games every year. Every year, all over the state, we organize this Meghalaya Games, where our archer, our athletes, our players get the platform, and at the same time, we get the opportunity to develop the sport infrastructure of that district where we are organizing that Meghalaya Games.